Not even Monday. Not even Monday. Anyways, not even money. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I'm hoping to do two today, and I've got a huge pile of list of things to do, but I'm just taking it one day at a time, one thing at a time, getting through what I can get through. All right, so this is a really nifty trick that is incredible when you're using Google Slides, okay? So I do a lot of my curriculum, pretty much all of my curriculum planning goes through Google Apps. And the reason is, yes, I do have Canva, and yes, Canva makes beautiful presentations and everything, but I find that Canva is a little bit more difficult to share and that Google is more accessible from like any device, anytime, very simple to share with teachers, and they can just, click that link and get into it. But anyway, let's take a look at this amazing app that my co-teacher Ashley West has informed me of, and I have been using it. Okay, so it's an extension that you can put in your Google Slides so that you can go into a full screen mode and do those drag and drops without having to be in that little frame, okay? So the name of it, and if we just Google it here or you can go into the extensions too, but the name of it is Full Screen Interactive Google Slides. Okay, because that's what we want. We want to be able to do things interactively in Google Slides. And as you can see here, it's sending us to the Chrome extension site. Okay, so we're going to click that and we're going to add to Chrome. Okay, so add that to Chrome, add extension, clicking everything to make it work. Okay, and in just a second, that should be done. Okay, and then we see this pop up right here. This is your full interactive button. Okay, so let's go take a look at how this works. We're going to click over here, and because I had this open beforehand, I need to refresh it. So I'm going to refresh that. And now that activity is a vocabulary drag and drop, okay? And when we are in a regular old presentation mode, we know that we can't drag and drop. All it does is click on to the next screen. Every time I click, it's going to click to the next screen, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to be in this edit mode, okay? And when we want to present the slides, and you can do this for the entire where is it? Let me pin that. Okay. So if you didn't see that, we're gonna click that little puzzle piece right there and then go ahead and pin it so that it comes up on your toolbar because you want to be able to access that very easily. But anyway, so you can present the entire I'm not gonna go all the way through it. I'll start right here. You can present the entire screenshot slideshow in this by just clicking that, okay? And you'll want to, like, if this is open, you'll have your speaker notes. You'll be able to see those. So you want to minimize that. It makes your screen bigger as well. Okay. And then you just go ahead and scroll with your mouse to go down on these. Okay. To the next slide. Click off to the side, scroll down. Oh, now it's not going to work for me, right? Yeah. Okay. Or the arrow key always works too. Okay, so then we get to this one where I've got a drag and drop here. And so as you saw in the present mode, if I click on it, it's just going to go on to the next thing. So in order to use this, we've got this in our interactive Google Slides, and we're going to grab the box, okay? And regenerate means to grow to replace lost or injured tissues or parts, and we're just going to drag that down and drop it right there. And in a perfect world, that would have been on top, so we would see it. Let me fix all those. Control up arrow will make those go all the way up to the top. Just little Google tips as we're going through this because I'm always ill prepared for all of my videos. But anyways, okay. So animal that does not have a backbone, we know that that is an invertebrate. We're going to drag that down and drop it on there. Okay. So I hope that little tip was helpful to you. Like, subscribe, hit your notification button, leave a comment, and let me know if you're using this and how much you love it. And thank you, Ashley West, for showing that to me. Take care, everyone. See you next time.